blue screen of death errors, including this one, are stop errors. It means that the device has stopped its operation to prevent damage to it. While many blue screens can be recovered from soon after a restart, persistent stop errors might indicate software or hardware problem, or even malware infection. First, let's disable hardware acceleration on Chrome. Open Chrome, click on the menu button in the top right, then pick Settings, then Advanced Settings. Scroll down to System Settings section and click on Use Hardware Acceleration when available slider to disable it. Now click on the appeared Relaunch button. The cause of this error might be recently installed program. You should check if this is the case. Just uninstall recently added program. Right-click on Windows button, select Apps and Features. In newly opened Windows, select to sort by install date and uninstall the most recent programs. You should keep your Windows operating system updated. Check if Windows has new updates for your PC. Click on Windows button, type in Windows Update Settings and in newly opened window click on Check for Updates button. Wait for the process to finish. You should keep your graphics drivers updated. Every manufacturer has their own drivers for download on their respective websites. Look for the latest drivers for your adapter model and install them. Use built-in system scanners to resolve this issue. Right-click on Windows button, select Command Prompt Admin, type in the displayed commands one by one, each followed by pressing Enter key. Wait for the process to finish and restart your PC. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.